Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep Kumar Sharma. Guys, in today's topic, I am gonna explain the effect of acceleration in suction and delivery pipes on indicator diagram. Guys, actually I have made here ideal diagram, and before watching this video, I must recommend you that you should watch my previous video because what we are gonna see in this topic, it is much more linked to the my earlier video, and when you will see that video, then you will get greater understanding of this video. So guys, let's start. I have just made this ideal diagram, and we have to find the effect of acceleration in suction and delivery pipes on indicator diagram. So guys, let's see here how it works. uh, Guys, as we all know that in my previous video, if you will see, or maybe you have some previous knowledge about this chapter, then you can remember the fact that HAS is given by LS by G into A by AS omega square R cos theta, and HAD LD by G A by AD omega square cos theta. Guys, I have proved all this formula in my previous video, so if you wanna watch that, you can see that. Now guys, come to the topic, that how this affect the ideal diagram and what could be the real diagram for this due to the effect of the acceleration in suction and delivery pipes. So guys, just see here. Here we will divide this into the two parts, first for the suction part and second for the delivery part. So guys, if it starts for the suction part, then theta to 180 degree it will be suction, and 180 degree to 360 degree it will be delivery. So just remember it, because I am just considering the piston at the left extreme end in the cylinder. So according to that, this theta 0 degree to theta 180 degree, this will be the suction process, and theta 180 degree to 360 degree, this will be the delivery process. So guys, just see how does it work. Now guys, if you wanna see that, then for theta is equal to 0 degree, if we put here theta is equal to 0 degree, then here the value of HS will come positive, because cos 0, that is 1, and this whole value will be positive. I mean that at theta is equal to 0 degree, what will happen, that this value HS will increase down. This will increase, I mean increase by HAS. Okay, and this is at theta is equal to 0 degree, and this is theta is equal to 19 degree, this is theta is equal to 180 degree. So guys, just you can see here that value is positive, so it will just increase. And now at this point B, I mean just see from diagram, at theta is equal to 90 degree, if you put in this value cos theta, then whole value will become 0. You know that cos 90, that is 0, whole value will become 0. So HS will be 0 at this position, I mean it will come here. Now after that, theta is equal to 180 degree, the HS will be negative, this HS value will be negative, and it means that cos 180 degree, that will be negative, and this whole value will be negative, and the value of HS, that will become negative. So guys, this value, this is HS, and this value will be reduced, because HAS being negative, so this HS value, net value, will reduced. So the more here it has been increased, the more it will here decrease. So let it consider it here and join it by a single line, join this 3 point by a single line. Now guys, this is the plot for the suction. Now come to the delivery plot. Now guys, here you can see that for delivery we have to just consider HAD, because we are just seeing for the delivery, and it will be just above the atmospheric pressure, and this is the atmospheric pressure line, I mean atmospheric pressure head line, and HAD value will all come above this line. So guys, one more thing is that just let it no problem guys. If you see from theta is equal to 180 degree, then at theta is equal to 180 degree, what will the value of cos theta? That will be negative. But guys, actually we will not consider it theta is equal to 180 degree, because we are just starting from delivery, because once the suction ends, then delivery starts. So we will consider this value as theta is equal to 0. I mean for suction, theta is equal to 0 from here to here, and for delivery theta will be 0 here, and here it will be 180 degree. I have just written it, just don't take it that way. For delivery theta will be 0 here, and for end of the delivery theta will be 180 degree here. So guys, for this, if you put theta is equal to 0, then this whole value, we are talking about delivery, so whole value will be positive. It means that it will increase the value of HD. I means it will increase the delivery head by HAD. It means that what will the total value? HAD plus HD. This will be the total value from here to here. This is HD, you can see here, and this will be increased by HAD. Now guys, you can see at 270 degree, and don't take it 270, take it 90 degree, that will be okay. So at 90 degree, you can see that this cos 90 becomes 0, and this whole value will become 0. So what will happen? That it will come here, this point here and this point here, it becomes 0, so it will come here. Now after that, when you take theta is equal to 180 degree, then cos 180 will become negative. I mean that this value will decreased. I mean that delivery head will decreased by HAD. It means that at this position, what we have value? HD minus HAD. This will be the value at this place, for this place, and for this place this will be value. Similarly, for this place, if you want to write, you can write HS minus HAS, and for this place, if you want to write, you can write HS plus HAS. This is the total value. So guys, remember this, you are gonna need it to use in the numerical problems. So now here HD minus HAD, so the amount of value it has been increased, the same amount of value it will decrease, so another point will come here. So just join it by a single line. Now join this whole value, and let's name it A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. So guys, now this A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash diagram is the diagram of indicator with the effect of acceleration in suction and delivery pipes on. Okay guys, I hope you have got me. Now guys, one thing I will just like to explain here, that the area of this ABCD, our ideal diagram, is equal to the area of diagram A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. So work done by reciprocating pump, as earlier, if you see my previous video, then you will see there that work done by the reciprocating pump is directly proportional to the area of this indicator diagram. So similarly, in this case, area will work done by the reciprocating pump will be the area of this new diagram formed, that is A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. So this was all about this topic. I hope you have got all the things which I have tried to explain. Guys, if you want to see my previous video, then you can find that in this description link, and if you want to if you want to see my next coming video, then you can see that even in my description link. That's all for today guys. Thank you, have a nice day.